back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time on my channel. You're highly welcome. Shout out to all my amazing members. Shout out to Sheila. Shout out to A Slice of Sam. Shout out to Stay Sweet Cuisine. Shout out to Nigerian Mom in Australia. Shout out to all of them. I can't remember all of them names, but these people are my first ever members, so I always remember their names. Shout out to all my amazing members. I appreciate you all. So today is the Iceland home delivery haul. So let's dive right into this shopping haul. I'll be telling you guys the price and how much everything cost me. Okay guys, let's dive right into this and give this video a thumbs up and share it. Okay guys, so everything on this table here cost me about 74 pounds something. Let's say 75 pounds. Okay, because this is Iceland home delivery. I didn't go to Iceland, so I have all the shopping bags here. Can you guys see that? Yeah, so they deliver it home because I didn't have time to go there. And moreover, this one is just like a top up. I didn't really buy most of the stuff I will buy when I go there because they don't have most of them online. Okay, I have my phone here because I want to tell you guys the prices. That's why my phone is right here. So I have all the prices on my phone here, so I'll be telling you guys the prices from my phone. Okay guys, so let's start with this toilet. Well, this is not the toilet one, this is the kitchen one. Plenty. I would normally not buy this, but because I have no choice. So this Plenty has towel, 2 rows. It's £1.75 for the 2 rows. I got just one of that. Okay, and then I'm just going to tell you guys on the price, the way it is on the price. I'm going to be moving from the table to table. Okay, I mean from the side of the table to the other side of the table and coming back forth. Okay, all right, so this is £1.75. I just got only one, so you guys can see. And then over here I got the velvet 32 row. It's £11. It's 32 in there. I got just one. Okay, and then I got this tango. Let me move this way. I got this tango drink. The tango drink is £7. Okay, you guys know Iceland sell drinks in cartons like this. Okay, so the 24 is £7. Okay, so the next thing here is the butter. This willow butter. I bought 2. They are doing offer on it, 2 for £1.50. So I bought 2 of them. And then the next is the sugar. The sugar as well, they are doing offer on it as well. So 2, actually I don't think they didn't offer. 2 is £1.38p. It's 69p for 1. The sugar 69p for 1. So I got 2. So 2 is £1.38. So they're not doing offer on those. And then we have our cooked ham. You guys can see the price already on the cooked ham. It's £2. I bought 2 of them. And then the cheese. The cheese are also, I bought 2. They are 2 for £5 because one is £2.50. One is £2.50. So I bought 2. It's £5. You guys can see that things has really increased. The cost of food has really increased in UK drastically. Then I got the green top and the blue top milk. One of this milk is £2.15p. They used to be £1.99 in those days, but now they've increased in price. So one is £2.15p. So I got 3. You guys can do the math. So 2 will be £4.30 plus another one £2.15p. Okay, so I got 3 of them. Okay, and then over here I'm even surprised they didn't allow me to get more than just one bag of ice. I wanted to get like 3, but the maximum you can order online is 1, which I'm surprised. If I go there I would have buy like 3 or 4. Okay, but I was only allowed to get just 1 online, which was shocking to me anyway. And this one is £1. Okay, this is £1. And then I got this what do you call it now, ash bran. I'm trying to look for the price of the ash bran, but I think it's £1. I think the ash bran is £1. Let me see if I can find the price. Yes, so the ash bran is £1. I bought 2. That's £2. And then it's been long I bought Bird's Eye chicken pie, so I decided to buy one as I saw it online. And this one is £3.30. This Bird's Eye chicken pie used to be £2.50 in those days. In fact, it used to be £2, to be quite honest. It used to be £2. Then it went to £2.50 when I stopped buying it, you know, and then now it's £3.30p. There's 4 inside of it. It's bedside. It's very nice though, although I don't really buy it often. I'm sure you guys have never seen this on my haul because I only occasionally buy it. Okay, so that is £3.30p for that. And then next in line is the waffles. You guys know we always get waffle. The waffles are £1, so I bought 3 of them. I bought 3 waffles. They are £1 each. And the next one is the hot dog roll, which I normally get for the kids to do hot dog. So these are £1.60. They were £1.50 before, but you guys know the price have gone up. So £1.60 now. I bought only 1 of that. And then the next one is the fish, the butter white fish. I used to buy this quite a lot in those days, but I stopped buying it for some reasons I don't know. It's quite nice though. I only bought 1. I normally just buy only 1. It's £2 for the box. There's 4 inside. There's 4. It's fish. It looks exactly like this when it's cooked. So it's 4 inside. It's £2. And then I bought some fruit whatever, lolly, what do you call it? Let me not bite my mouth. So this is £2 for 4. There's 4 inside. I didn't see the big one online. Normally sometimes online you don't see the exact things you want. I don't know why, but if you go there, if you go to their warehouse, the big one, you see everything you want. Yeah, so this is £2. Can you imagine? There's only 4 in there. Anyway, it's still cheaper when you go, it's still cheaper there compared to going to cooperative. It's more expensive in cooperative. Okay guys, so I got chicken burger. This is normally £2.50. I bought 2 is £5. Yeah, they normally sell it for £2.50. I just crossly check the price. It's normally £2.50 anyway. Yeah, it's £2.50. 2 is £5. Okay. And then over here, just let me get some ketchup. They're doing offer on the ketchup, 2 for £2. Actually, yes, it's £1 for 1. I don't think they're doing offer. There's no offer written on the thing here. Okay, so 1 is £1 for this particular. This is a branded one. You guys know branded stuff are always expensive. Yeah, branded stuff are always expensive anyway. So this is £1. So I bought 2. That's £2. And then the what do you call this sauce now? This burger sauce. The burger sauce is £1. I swear I bought 2. You know, I don't normally buy all these, but when I see them online sometimes and the children, they like it. It just, when you buy so much of it, they finish it so fast, so it's not even focusing very well. Okay, so yeah, but anyway, this is burger sauce. Okay, I bought 2. That's £2 for 2. Okay, so I'm moving to the eggs. How much did I got the eggs? The eggs are £1.60p. £1.60p for the eggs. I bought 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then the bagel, I think the bagel is £1 something. Let me quickly find the price for you guys. I'm looking at my phone. The bagels are £1.75. Yeah, the bagels are £1.75. So I bought 2. I didn't buy 3. I bought 2 bagels. And then coming down here, we have our seeded burger buns. Seeded burger buns, I bought just 1. Is £1.60. Okay, and then last but not the least, we have our chips. These are the smaller bag. These are 1.25 kilo. Okay, these are 1.25 kilo. I think they are £1 each. I bought 3. Let me quickly check the price so you guys will know. I bought 3 of them. I think they said they substituted something like that. Yes, because the initial ones that I bought, they didn't have it, so they substituted. So this 1.25 kilo, which I'm not so sure of the price of the 1.25 kilo, because the one of 900 grams is £1. So I don't know this one that they substitute. Probably it's £1 something. I'm not so sure, but maybe it's £1. I swear. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to pay £1 because they substitute this on my phone there. So I'm going to pay £1 because they didn't have the exact one that I wanted. So I bought 3 of them. Okay, so I see. So there's this one here that is 900 gram. This one is 900 gram, which is the one I initially bought. And then this two is 1.5 kilo because they didn't have two to complete this 900 gram, which is fine anyway. Yeah, guys, so this is all I got. You guys can see you guys can see that things are very expensive. Can you guys imagine everything here in this thing, this tiny thing here on the table? Can you guys just see everything fit on the table? That will tell you how small everything is. Can you imagine everything here cost me £74.75p? Ah, my God. Can you guys just see how things are just increasing in price and becoming really expensive? Just this little stuff here on this table, £74.75p. Just want to show you guys properly. If you are in Nigeria, please don't convert it. If you convert it, you are going to scream. You are going to scream because it's a lot of money. £75.75p. That's like, no, £74.75p. That's like £75 on the dot. If you convert it to naira, it's a lot of money for just this. So that will tell you that food are getting very expensive in UK. Okay, guys, so that's all I got for you guys today from this Iceland home delivery. Okay, so the delivery was free. When you buy to, I think, £25 or something like that, you pay free delivery. They deliver it for you for free. Alright, guys, that's all I got for this haul. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please smash the like button. Please, the like help the video to get recommended, and share the video if you enjoy watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Love you all. Bye, guys. Thanks for your support.